Hello guys, welcome to the new video. In today's video we are going to explore the ZED editor, and literally I am surprised, I'm amazed with the features, with the facilities it provides to a developer. Literally I'm shocked, and today in this video I'm going to explore few of those features about which I'm saying that I was shocked. Okay, literally shocked. So I will try to explore few of them, not of all them. It's impossible for me to capture all these features in a simple in one video. So we will try to explore few of them. So let's start from very beginning. I have just installed the ZED editor. We will create a Laravel project from very scratch. We will see its core features which it provides. um, so I have installed the ZED editor. We will see its multi-buffers, its outline panels, code completions, its channel features, collaboration, Git task, remote development, each and everything it provides. If you're working on Git, it provides Git features. You can collaborate with team members who, but they should be the users of ZED. You can create your channels. You can create your code completions. I can't explain. Let's dive deep into it. So open ZED editor. Okay, I'm going to open its terminal panel here. Okay, where is I am code Laravel install ZED demo project. Okay, sorry, no, Laravel new ZED. We are going to select view authentication past. Stick with the video till the end. You will see the results. You will be amazed at the facilities, the functions it provides. So I have installed. Now let's try its settings area. In settings, this is the settings.json file where we can literally set our whole environment for this project. Okay, like edit prediction provider, we have used here the ZED, which is the default prediction provider. We can change it to GitHub Copilot, Olama, uh, each and every AI providers available currently in the market. We can configure that one for our use cases. Okay, we can use Gemini, etc. We can use the key mapping, like if the user is coming from the PhpStorm or VSCode, he can just type here JetBrains, and then all the key bindings will be copied, or will follow the JetBrains or VSCode things. Okay, base theme is here, base font and base font size. We can see everything here. Okay, we can change it from here. Then next, let's move to the next. Here are the themes. We can change it in this way. Okay, themes, next theme. I'm going to use this one, Calvin. This one is as well amazing. Okay, this one. Okay, let's stick with this one. Okay, the next thing which I want to show you is the is the is the command palette we use, which is used in this editor. So we will use command shift P. Okay, and we will go to the assistant new chat. Okay, this is our assistant. We can chat with it, we can work with it. Let's suppose I'm going to ask, please help me in creating a comment model in Laravel which is associated with post model. A post can have many comments, and a comment can belong to a post. It's suggesting me each and everything. Okay, so let's send this message. Yeah, I'll help you create a commit model with an assistant. This blah. PHP artisan make model this. Okay, here is the migration, here is the relationship, you can see. Wow, amazing. Here is the command model, you can see relationship, you can see. Wow, amazing. All each and everything it has just provided me. I'm shocked. Oh my god. Here you can see it has Vue.js component to display commands. That is as well provided. You can see. Wow, amazing. Each and everything done. Just copy these in your Vue.js files and these migrations done. Okay, we can change this model here, change model, and we can select these ones, 3.7 Cloud. We can select 3.7 Sonnet Thin. We can configure, as I said earlier in the video, that we can use ChatGPT or Olama, DeepSeek. So we will go to configure section and we will add the access keys or secret keys, etc. here in this area. Like GitHub Copilot chat is here. We can sign in and add the credentials here. We can use the DeepSeek. We can use the Google AI. We can use LM Studio, Mistral, Olama, all models. We can download the Olama and just connect from here. Because my current system does not support such a huge LLM like Olama, for which minimum 16 GB RAM is required. So I'm not going to use it. We can use the OpenAI as well. So all the models are here. That thing is covered. Okay. So now let's go to the code. One more thing, we can create our own assistants. Let's go to the top. This is the default one. I have created this one, Laravel expert. Okay. So you are an expert in PHP, Laravel, JavaScript, this. Have the project. I need your assistant in developing a web application doing this. Okay, this is my base prompt. This is my base prompt for in this will be in the history. This will be used by default by our prompt. Okay, so there is a section where we can add our prompts. Here is the prompt library. This is the one I'm currently showing behind this one. So we can add the new one here. Give a name. React. Okay, done. Let's you are an assistant and your credit, you're an React expert and and you will help me code in React things. Done. I will provide you with the code and you will help. Just press tab. I will provide you again. Okay, that is done. Own our own prompt is created, which will help us as a base prompt. Okay, so let's close it. I'm once again going to the chat section. Now see the magic. According to documentation, I have to press this one. It will give me few built-in prompts which will be in our directory at the backend. Like I have created one and I will just use that one for our like which one we have here. I don't have anyone. Okay. No. Now delta prompt. Yes, sorry, prompt. We will go to the prompt. I just created two, so now I am going to use the React one, React export. So this is now the paste prompt for our next conversations. Please tell me how to create a component in React with Laravel. Okay, so let's send it error interactive language model, cloud language model, very good. So some mistakes, I think I'm crossing my free tire limit. So I have explained, I think, the basic things about it. So it is clear. Now I hope so. So one more thing I would like to tell you here is that let's suppose we create a controller, and it is post controller. Okay, let's go to the post controller, and let's suppose it has a index method which shows all the current posts uh, in the view.js file. So I'm going to run return inertia, and it's inertia. Okay, create. No, it's not create. It's use the dashboard. Okay, and then from the dashboard, post all is complaining. Class inertia not found. Okay, the thing which I want to show here is I'm going to right click on. I have clicked the right, and here is assistant, rename, production, action, import, all unresolved names. Okay, import class inertia, imported. Okay, jump to, yeah, here is a code assist. Yeah, we will find a no. There is inline assistant, command shift P, inline yeah, assistant inline generate on. Here you can see I have opened inline assistant now, but okay, please, this code error. It has some suggestions. Let's confirm assistant. You can accept the code or reject the code it suggests. Okay, so you can see what mistakes we are making. So let's create it properly. Okay, public function index, that is done. Okay, now the post model is missing. Post model, you can see its suggestions. It's amazing, man. Done. Okay, done. Wow. Okay, it's post controller edit. Let's commit it, commit it. Done. Okay, so now the next part is to reveal uh, this area, project diagnosis. It's diagnostics, sorry. Basically it compiles our project, and if it finds any issues, those issues will be shown to us. Show three warnings. It has find these errors. Okay, method index is missing, dog log return type this. Okay, so we are going to fix these one by one. Go to file. See, PHP name request is imported but not used. So we will remove this one. Error gone. So now two errors we have. Method index is missing. Dog block data. So I'm going to select this code. Go to suggestions. I think no. Go to definition. Go to type. Go to implementation. Productions. Add missing. Fix with assistant. Yeah, I was talking about this thing. Fix with assistant. Yeah, no problem. Then now we have only one problem in our project area. So it's basically asking me, do I want to accept those changes which are suggested by AI assistant. So I'm going to accept confirm assistant. That is done. Okay, but with few problem public one, yeah, it has, yeah, that now it's, but still we are facing two issues. Method index is missing. So we will add a return type. What it is returning? Huh? Huh? It's a response initial res- response. Where are you? We are done. Class response not found. Response. Hey, why you are not suggesting me? Response. Response. Yeah. Nah. No. Oh. This one? Yeah. This one? This one. Okay. So again, Git is tracking us. Okay. Next part. One thing which I want to show to keep that in your notices. You can see PHP is running as our server language. Okay. And we can select multiple languages here. You can see Python, Nginx, Markdown, JSON, and you can see PHP is our current language. One more thing, we can hide the outline the panel from here this way. Again, gone. Okay. Next thing is collaboration panel. Okay, this is our collaboration panel. We can add a contact here. If the contact is already in our system, we will search it here, but if it is not there in our contacts, we will invite a new one. Okay, so let's suppose we want to add a new one. Go from here, it's was here, yeah, here, sorry. Let's type, don't know any. Let's add the Nuno Maduro. No. Oh, no, you are as well here. No, it's another no. Nuno Maduro. Murado. It's Nono Modaro. Murado. And it's added. Request is created. So if he accepts my request, okay, and he is ZED, Z editor user, then we can collaborate on this project. We can work simultaneously on this project. He will see my changes, I will see his changes. We can both work on the same project at the same time. Okay, so I'm going to cancel the invitation because I don't know this Nuno person. Yes, remove this one. Let's move to the next part, and which is, here is the notification panel. Assistant panel was here. I have shown all this already. Okay, so there are basically these options we can use, like we want to display eager loading, eager code completion, or subtle one. Okay, that is as well covered in the documentation, like we want the suggestions as we type, or we want to get the suggestion as a preview and then accept it. Okay, that is for that part. Now let's move to the documentation of ZED. Here one thing which I want to show and I'm very excited about it is that is tasks. Okay, let's move to the tasks. Basically using tasks we can run different commands, different tasks simultaneously. Let's go to tasks, task, open tasks. Okay, here is a task which I have created already. Okay, here is the task. It has this label, and which commands do I want to run via this task. Okay, so I have created npm run dev and php artisan tests, so we can run all the Laravel tests in one go. So how I will run this task? In a very simple way, command p task run. Okay, which task I want to run? Laravel tests. See the magic. See the magic. Tasks are running, but we have some failures. I'm not going in details for all those, why those tasks are failing, but I just wanted to show what is going on, how we can run the tasks. Okay, but let's fix the issues why are this failing. I think I'm using the wrong version of Node.js. NVMe.